And here we go, guys. Part 3, $50,000 bathroom remodel. Everything is complete. Let's bring you inside and show you the final product. Here we go. And we're back finalizing the shower. So here it is. Shower is complete. Obviously we need to prep it prior to grout. The 2 double niches, we are installing our solid surface. These are installed right now. That will be installed today. We are cutting and fabricating the one for that windowsill. Here's the bench. As you can see, beautiful, perfect match. Everything's looking wonderful. Here's the grout we will use. Prism by Custom, Oyster Gray. Let's get right to it. A tour of the final product, the completed bath and shower remodel. Here we go. Entrance. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, all completed, ready for use. We will first start with the toilet room. As you remember, in part 1, this wall was not here. We are relocating that. We are removing this cabinet. The toilet will be installed back in the corner. A new little wall will be built. So a wall was put up to enclose a private toilet room. Prior to this wall, the toilet was placed about there, wide open for anybody and everybody to see. So we've got the toilet room, baseboard installed, Toto toilet here. We installed a vent fan and light combo. Let's quickly move on to the floor. We are running 4-foot planks, porcelain planks, rectified, all the way through into the shower room. So we have a barrier-free, curbless shower. Quickly, before we move on to the shower, here are our custom shaker espresso cabinets. The cabinets turned out absolutely wonderful. Drawers here. We have outlets and USBs for charging dock station within this drawer, as well as this drawer here. So there are the cabinets. We have a makeup desk here. Install the barn door on this back wall as well to match the barn door to the entrance of the bathroom. We installed some decorative lights. Every finish in this bathroom is brushed nickel from faucets, 2 handles. Let's show you what we have underneath this cabinet here. Heated floor, thermostat. This is connected to the client's cell phone. There will be a schedule for these floors to start heating up first thing in the morning. So let's show you where the heated floor starts and ends. We have the heated floor in the toilet room here. Flows all the way through into the shower room and ends right there. So we have nice luxury heated floors for a nice comfortable entrance first thing in the morning with your bare feet. Let's move on to the shower room. This is a very large shower room. We installed approximately 350 square feet of hard rectified 12 by 24 porcelain. As you can see, the grout lines do disappear. Our prism grout is an exact match. We'll quickly start here. We've got wainscot. Trimmed out with Schluter Jolly. We have Schluter Jolly trimmed out here as well. We mitered this pony wall again. Everything was rotten when we demoed the original shower. We installed a new subfloor, framed out a new pony wall, and framed out a new bench. So the pony wall is here, capped off with quartz, mitered at this outside corner, and trimmed out with Schluter on this corner. Glass panels were installed, clear. Brushed nickel brackets makes this a frameless panel install. Bring you on into the shower. The valve we installed was Hansgrohe. Valve, handheld, and a Hansgrohe ceiling mounted rain head. We installed additional can light there, as well as a vent fan light combo up there as well. Bring you on over here, we have a custom vent. Cut out from our 12 by 24 porcelain. Bring you on into the double niche setup, Jack and Jill. 12 by 20 niche. Decorative glass inlay, again quartz for the sill with the proper pitch and slope. Identical over here as well. We mitered the sides, the top, the sides, the top of both niches to give it a very clean look. Let's quickly move on to the shower pan. This is a prefabricated Schluter shower pan with Schluter drain kit. Proper pitch, proper slope for proper water drainage to the drain. Here is our large bench. Mitered there and mitered on the inside corner. We have solid surface quartz for the bench top. This color complements the wall tile very, very well. Let's move on up to the windows. These windows were a bit of a challenge. Quartz for the sill on both windows, and we mitered left, top, and right of both windows. And the layout was at a 50% offset. And there it is, folks. I hope you enjoyed this series. This was a fun project, a bit of a challenge. We always like a good challenge with different angles. The challenges made this remodel extremely fun and interesting, and the final product is extremely satisfying. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.